Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif. This is your science class for grade 2. Today we will do unit number 12, water. Name of the lesson, name of the unit is water. This is video number 35. I am your teacher, Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. Okay, let's start. Open your book. This is your science book. And open page number 52. 52, unit number 12. What is the name of the unit? Name of the lesson? Water. Okay, what is this? Water. In this lesson, we learn about water. I mean, what is water? Why it is important? And what are the sources of water? Okay, and why we should save water. Okay. Okay, now first I will read. All of you listen to me, then I will explain. Water. Sources of water. The larger part of the Earth's surface is covered by water. There is quite a lot of water underground. 2. We dig deep wells to draw the water from under the ground to the surface. This water can be used for drinking, washing, cleaning, and many other things. Without water, every living thing would die. Now, students, you can see here in this picture, what is this? This is a water. And I think all of you have seen and all of you know about the water. What is a water? It is a liquid. It is in which form of matter? It is in liquid form of matter. Okay, because it don't have definite shape. Okay, water, how you can define it? It don't have definite shape, but it has definite volume. When you put water in the glass, then it can take the shape of the glass, or when you put water in the plate, then it can take the shape of the plate. Okay, now what are the sources of water? And one thing more, what is the chemical name of the water or chemical formula of the water? H2O. Okay, H2O. Now, what are the sources of water? The larger part of the Earth's surface is covered by water because we know that our Earth, this planet, largest part of the Earth is covered by the water. More than 70% area of the Earth is covered by the water. And what are the sources and from where you can see, or I will tell you now in next page. But first, look at this one. There is quite a lot of water underground too. We dig deep wells to draw the water from under the ground to the surface. This water can be used for drinking, washing, cleaning, and many other things. Without water, every living thing would die. Okay, I told you before, most of the part, the largest part of the earth is covered by the water, but not all water on the ground. Okay, lot of water underground, lot of water under the earth. Okay, you can see here in this picture, what is this? This is a well. This is a well, and this is one source of the water. Now, how we can dig this well? When we dig this, when we dig earth deep, okay, to draw the water, then this is the form of well. Okay, and this water we can use for drinking, for washing, cleaning, and many other things. But the water is coming in the seas and also oceans. That water is not drinkable. We can't drink it. Okay, Why we cannot drink it? Because it is salty water. Which one? The water of the sea and the ocean. This is the salty water. Only this water from under the ground, like water of the well, this water is drinkable. We can drink it because this is not salty water. Is it clear? And you can see here in this picture, this is also here in this picture, you can see more water, and this is ocean, and this water is salty, too much salty, and we cannot drink. Okay. Now next page, page number 53. Now you can see here also another sources of water. One is well. That in second picture you have seen ocean, but now here you can see here there is water in streams and rivers. Okay. Also this water in streams and rivers you can see in this form. And next is there is water in lakes and ponds. And you can see this is a lake or pond. Okay. So these are the sources of water. Which one? Listen again. Well, oceans, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, and also rainwater. These all are the sources of water. Okay, students. Now, next question is here, and also you can see water is getting dirty. Water is getting dirty. In first page of the book, you have seen there are two types of water. One is ocean, and another one is well water. Well water is drinkable, we can drink, but the ocean water, we can't drink it because that water is salty. Now, why water is getting dirty? Why water is getting dirty? First, I will read then explain this page. Everyone uses a lot of water in ways that make it dirty. We use soap to bath and detergent to wash clothes, dishes, and many other things. Factories use water. They let the polluted water flow back into the rivers, streams, and lakes. All these activities make the water dirty. If we are not careful, we may run short of clean water. Now, here are questions. In this clean or polluted, is this clean or polluted water? This one. Okay. Next question is where has this water come from? Where will this water go? Polluted water can harm plants as well as animals. It can even kill the animals that drink it or live on it. Drinking dirty water can make people and animals sick. Okay? In how water is getting dirty and why water is getting dirty. In what we do with water, then it becomes dirty. Because we know that everyone every in every home or every people use lot of water, and there are different ways of water. There are different ways of using water and also different ways of making it dirty. Okay. First of all, when we take bath, then what happens? We use soap, we use shampoo, okay, to bath. And also when we wash clothes, dishes, and over homes, other things, we use different detergents, okay, to clean the things and also mm, to kill the germs. So what happened? This dirty water or this and also or in our factories, there are different ways of using water and methods, and by these different ways this water become dirty, and this dirty or polluted water again flow back into the rivers, into the streams. Also you can see here in this picture, and here is question, is this clean or polluted water? You can see here, all of you. Can you give its answer? Is it clean or polluted? This is polluted water. This is polluted water. Now, next question is where has this water come from? From where this water come from? And you can see here also, this water is coming from the homes, from the factories. Okay, and this polluted water when come back or flow back into the rivers, streams and lakes, and then what happened? This water, mean water of the rivers, streams, lakes and oceans become dirty. Is it clear? Next question is, where will this water go? Okay, this water is coming from the factories, from the homes. I mean, this is polluted water, and when it comes and it can flow back into the rivers, streams, lakes, and then these lakes again flow into the oceans. Okay, and then that ocean water become dirty. Is it clear? And if we will not careful, then what happen? We may run short of clean water. And this polluted water also is not good for plants as well as it is not good for animals. Okay, and this is not able to drink, especially uh, for animals, for human beings. So what happens when animals drink this water? Then what happens? They can't live more. Okay, and this water can make people and also animals sick. Is it clear? And also you can do experiment. You can take one bucket and put in that bucket some detergent, okay, and that water become dirty. And this dirty water, when you give to the plants, not experiment on yourself, you can experiment it in the plants, okay. If you have plants at your home, then you can also grow one plant in one pot, and then when you add or put this dirty water in the pot, and after 2 days, 3 days, you will see its result. Okay. Now next page. Saving water is important. Saving water is important. Why saving water is important? Because we know that we need water so much in our lives. Okay, so we should save water. First I will read, then I will explain. First one, water has no smell, taste or color. Water has no smell, no taste or no color. Saving water is important. Since we know that we need water so much in our lives, we should not waste it. Water can what can you do to save water? Saving water is as easy as turning off a tap. Here are some simple things you can do at home to save water. Number one, don't keep the water running while you are brushing your teeth or washing your hands. Number two, take shorter showers. Number three, ask your parents to fix dripping taps. These can waste several buckets of water a day. Number four, reuse the water that is used for washing fruits and vegetables to water the plants in your home. Okay, students, when I started this lecture, then I told you about water. One thing, water is liquid state of matter, and water don't have definite shape, but it has definite volume. Okay, and also there is one another definition of water. Water has no smell, no taste, or no color. It is tasteless, it is colorless, it is smellless. Okay. Next question is, saving water is important. Saving water is important. Why it is important to save the water? Because we need too much water in our lives, so we should save it. Now, what we can do to save the water? I mean, how we can save the water? Okay, here are some rules. When we apply these rules, then we can save the water. First one, don't keep the water running while you're brushing your teeth or washing your hands. You can see also in this picture. You can see also in this picture what he is doing. When you are brushing your teeth, then you can turn off your tap. And when you need of water, then you can open it. Okay, in this way you can save the water. Is it clear? Second, take shorter showers. In only according to your need you can use it. Don't use more water or don't open more showers. Number 3, ask your parents to fix dripping taps. These can waste several buckets of water a day. Suppose in your home there is any one tap of your kitchen or your bath, any tap is dripping, then you should say to your parents, fix it. Okay, maybe if one day there is loss of only 1 liter of water, but in 2 days 3 days loss of one bucket, so you should save it in this way. Number 4, reuse the water that is used for washing fruits and vegetables to water the plants in your home. I mean, which water you are using for washing the fruits and for washing vegetables, you can reuse again this water to the plants. You can give this water to the plants in your home, but don't use polluted water. I mean, you use water for bathing, for washing clothes, washing dishes. Okay, that water is polluted water, and this water cannot, you cannot reuse it. Okay, so only you can reuse the water that is used for washing fruits and vegetables. Okay, and what is the use of this water? Only you can give to your plants. Okay, students, but this water is not drinkable. Only you can drink water of well. Okay, this lesson is finished today, and your homework is read page number 52, 53, 54, and 55, and also try to understand these pages. If you have any question, then you can ask from me. But exercise, inshallah, we will do in our next lecture. I hope you will read it and you will understand it and you will enjoy this lesson. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.